Well, we're gonna play some space shooter games today. STARFOX. Well, Starwing. You Yanks. No. Brits. Crikey. You know what I'm talking about. STARFOX was a fantastic game. Everybody loved it. I'm not sure if I did or if I just loved the fact that everybody else was playing it, so I was trying to be cool. I was never particularly good at it, but I do remember that I thought the music was pretty rockin', and the characters, even though they said nothing in English, were kind of cute. The cartridge had its own effects chip that helped it render its amazing graphics for its time. And everything needs one thing to push it to the next level. STARFOX was that thing. Had the chip, it had great sound, it had addictive gameplay. It was a great game to play with your friends and just pass the control around on every level. So let's go through the first level. I'm gonna see if I have Starwing, but if not, we'll play STARFOX. Let's go! Colonel Doggy. STARFOX. Good talk. Oh damn, the memories are coming right back. Triangles attack! Blah, 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 blah. Yes, frog. Oh shit. I'm flying through hoops, bitches. This thing? Oh yeah, I'm just bad. Oh, my feelings. I don't know if I ever knew you could go first person. Oh yeah, right, the feelings. Listen to these sweet tunes, though. Oh yeah. Very magnificent. No, we're going now. Do you like my silly hat? Look, it's crooked. Oh no, this is just sewn all wrong. I decided when I got my pilot's license for drones that I needed a stupid pilot's hat, and AliExpress absolutely delivered a crooked, shitty hat, and I complained and I got my money back, and I kind of like it. It's so dumb. It completes the joke of me having a license to fly a toy around. Anyway, much like me, I assume StarFox has a license to fly his crappy toy around. It was fun enough. I was really done after 2 levels. It aged like milk. Yeah. But one thing I did notice is that the characters, there's the fox, the bunny, the bird, and the frog. Where did they end up after this? Lovers in a dangerous space-time? They're the friends you have to rescue with the power of love. In Gumball. Gumball Zero, I think, is the ship. There are a lot of ships in that game. They all suck except for the first one. But anyway, in 10 years when that's a vintage game, we'll talk about it. Yup.